Gala, GTC, these are all trading opportunities. Now on Gala, right, or this GTC, you see this FTG right here. So you already know that it's close, right? And then, I mean, it can still continue to go up, but that's the thing, is we'll see the FVG, and this shit is still moving mass. It is easy money. But all right, so on the volume screener, this is a screener. You know, don't take this and then quit DCG after I made y'all money. All right, above 1% from the open 1%, right? Total million of coins. I like to see things with 1 million, but I mean, of course, we can see things with 100,000, right? If we want to, you know, we can see them with 100, because I don't care how many total. I want them to have less than 1 billion. Then trading volume, I want it to be over 1 million. Then above the volume change, I want it over 200%. And I want the volume in trading to be over 500,000. Right? Any exchange don't matter. Everything else, you kind of leave. It don't matter. Available coins, you know, this could be 100,000. Sometimes it'll pull up some bull BS. So I normally I just do 1 million, so I know it has volume. It's not being manipulated. And that's it. I just want the change above 1%, a 1% from the open, so I know it's trending up. You know, it has over 1 million trading volume. It has, you know, over 1 million coins or 100,000 or more volume. So it's trading over 500,000. And then just have your alligator set up with FEG, and when they hit, right, the volatility means that it's going up the most, right? So this volatility is high. Look at that. ATA, when we looked at it, I can't even remember. It was down here somewhere, 12, 13. So, I mean, we have so many options to take money. Like, this is fun. I mean, this is when it gets fun for me, is when it's like, shit, we got the blueprint. You just, if you guys just use the leverage and went up, right? I mean, you know, just on this call, it's been $400 or $500 just by, you know, watching the market and seeing when it starts moving. And of course, when I start seeing things go over it on the ES, the dollar start dropping. So I see the dollar drop. That means that the stock market and the futures don't go up. I see crypto start rising and BTC start rising. And it's like I'm in the trades. And, you know, as long as the dollar drops, I'll come back over here on futures, and I'll just, like, I'm not scared to submit the order. It costs me $4 or $3 or $2 every time I hit the order, but, you know, we'll see it fill. And of course, I want to look at it, right, and see where it's at. I see it's running up in the red. It's still early. I see where it's at. It's almost at the bottom of the alligator. So I still want to, you know, hit that level here. This is normally where I want to buy it. So 37.71. And then I would hold it. And if it drops under and it turns red or something like that, then I know it's time to get out. All right. So this is where I would have bought it. But coming here, it hasn't filled, so I'm just gonna exit it. All right. And we'll see what it do. But I'm done for the night. It's like it gets addictive. And this is the reason I stopped day trading, because after a while you start, look at the FVG just printed.
Order submitted.
And I submit the order and it automatically puts my stops in when it fills. So it's at 37.45 and it should fill right now. Got the bid at 37.74. You see my order, and it's going up. As soon as that FVG hit, it started moving up. All right, and that's what the buy bid is. So it'll get this lower number. If I would have did the ads, it would have filled. So it might be at a standstill right here. It just popped up even more. And it's printing another one.
Order filled.
All right.
Getting too excited.
Hey, hey, every ticket's $12.
Yeah, I just took a second entry on NAS and that FEG we just pulled back into on the 5. So that's gonna be my second entry, and I'm gonna let that be.
So hey, so think about this, y'all. You know, if you can sit here and do that, and you can make $50, you know, in 2-3 minutes every time, you know, it's $50 an hour. So some people don't make that at their job, $100. If I can just do here and I can just hop in and watch this and just do $100, right? And I can set this low. Like I don't like this Dodge. I got too much leverage. But even with that, you get $97 or $50, and you only been in it for an hour. That's $130 an hour, right? So don't think that you need to get 500 an hour or 1,000. Just think if you got $50 an hour, just coming here watching this screener. That's where I want the guys to be like, bro. At least I'm doing $50 an hour, $100 an hour. So you know, if you trading after hours, you off work at 6 o'clock. You trade 2 hours, you made $200. Like, don't think, oh, it's only $200. Think I just made $100 an hour. I don't have to fucking drive Uber. I ain't got to pick nobody up and drop them off and make $10-20. I just made $200 an hour. Right. And if you made $30-40 an hour at your job, you just say, hey, look, man, it took me 8 hours at work. And so now, just in that 1 minute, I'm up $100, 125. Right. So if I just now I can say, look, I made $50, right? $50 in, I don't know, 3 minutes. I can close out. That's more than $50, but all right. I'll just dry this up. Put my sell stop right there. I can let it ride, or I can get out. So if you start just doing that, I'm just gonna make $50 an hour or $100 an hour. Maybe that make you feel better, and you have lower expectations, which over a period of time, you may get lucky and it just shoots up on you, and now you just made $400 or $500. But if you stop with $25 or $50, you know, it feels like, all right, at least I'm making $50 an hour while I'm perfecting my trading, and I'm taking trades. If you're not taking 100 trades a month, you know, here's my orders, right? I can't get good unless I practice. I'm trading. This is how many orders I took today. Well, from here, from 12, that's at least 10 orders. Cancel, fill, cancel. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can't be a pro trader unless I'm taking trades. So I don't know how you're gonna be a good trader if you're only taking 1 trade a week, right? Even if you're doing it on a virtual accounts. So you come over here and you look at this and you pull up the trading panel and just hit the paper accounts. Somewhere over here. Paper trading. And you can do your paper trading. Right? And now you can practice trades over here. And now it don't cost you anything. And you can come over here and say, all right, I want to take this trade. Bought the limit. And then you can practice with your, all right, so let me take this trade. It's paper trade. I'm just going to trade. Create an order. Give me a market. Right? I got an order. And now I can come over here. I can drag the stop loss down. So say I only want to risk $500 or $600, and then take me profit right here.